Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 5, the Vedic period. It is commonly held by many historians that the Aryans were originally a tribal people from Central Asia who lived in the area around the Caspian Sea. So in the previous chapter we have learned about the Indus Valley civilization in detail, right? And one of the reasons for the declination of the Indus Valley civilization was the invasion of Aryan. So now we will discuss about the Aryans in detail. Okay, so it is believed that Aryans, they were a tribal people. Tribal people means they don't have their specific place where they live. They move from place to place to to survive, right? So it is believed that by the many historians that Aryans were a tribal people and they basically belong from the Central Asia and who used to live around the Caspian Sea. Around 2000 BCE, they left their ancestral home and migrated to different parts of the world in order to explore better opportunities and favorable climatic conditions. So it is believed that around 2000 BCE, the Aryans, they left their ancestral home, that means their great 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 grandfather's home, and they migrated, that means move from one place to another, that is to move to different parts of the world so that they can get more better opportunities and have a favorable climatic condition where they can live their life peacefully. Since they were pastoral people, it has been assumed that search for fertile pastures to raise their cattle might have been one of the major reasons behind their large scale migration. So they were a pastoral people, that means they used to do cultivation in the area, and plus they used to raise the different types of cattle just like cow, goat, sheep, so that they can have and they can make their cattle feed from these pastures. So it is believed that in order to get a better fertile pasture or a land, they move from one place to different parts of the world so that they can raise their cattle in a better way and they can give the better climatic condition and can have a better opportunities to live their life peacefully. The arrival of Aryans in India coincided with the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So in the previous chapter we have already learned that due to the invasion of the Aryans, there was a declination of the Indus Valley civilization. The Aryans spoke Sanskrit. So the Aryans, they used to speak Sanskrit, a language that is now recognized as a part of the Indo-European family of languages. So Aryans, they used to speak Sanskrit, and Sanskrit is a language which at present is spoken by all the parts which come under the Indo-European family. Some of these people moved to Syria, Mesopotamia and the Middle East, while others entered the Indian subcontinent sometimes between 2000 BCE and 1500 BCE. So it is believed that half of the Aryans, they moved to Syria, Mesopotamia and Middle East, while half of the Aryans, they entered in the Indian subcontinent between 2000 BCE and 1500 BCE. There is no clear evidence to suggest the exact date of their arrival. So there is no evidence that on which date or in which year they have arrived in India, but it is believed that they have reached northwest India by 1500 BCE. So it is believed that they have reached northwest India, that means near the Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana side, Punjab side, by the 1500 BCE. A number of Aryan tribes migrated into the Indian subcontinent through the famous Khyber Pass, present-day Iran. So it is believed that how Aryans, they entered in the Indian subcontinent, they entered by the famous Khyber Pass, which is present in Iran. They rapidly spread to the area known as the Sapta Sindhu, the land of seven rivers, which included the eastern part of present-day Afghanistan, Punjab, and fringes of the western Uttar Pradesh. So it is believed that they have spread from the area known as Sapta Sindhu. The meaning of Sapta Sindhu is the land of our 7 rivers, and the areas are present day Afghanistan, Punjab and the western Uttar Pradesh. The Aryans soon mingled with the local people and adapted a agrarian way of life after settling down on small organized communities in northwestern India. So slowly and gradually the Aryans, they mingled with the Indian people, and they started to adapting the lifestyle of the Indian, especially in the northwestern India, in a small group. The period between 1500 BCE and 600 BCE is referred to as the Vedic period in Indian history. So the period between 1500 BCE and 600 BCE, it is referred as the Vedic period in our Indian history. It is divided into early Vedic period, that is, so the Vedic period is also divided into two parts. So the early Vedic period belongs between 1500 BCE to 1000 BCE, and the later Vedic period belongs between the 1000 BCE to 600 BCE.